Right, morning or afternoon, depending where you are. Having a look at the Grand Theft Auto 5 FPV mod. I'm just going to do a run through, see if I can show you guys how I installed it to my Grand Theft Auto. So first of all, you've got to download a couple of programs. So I go onto the internet and I come up here, download, and you'll see 3 here that I've downloaded. Enough of that, I'll show you where to get them. GTA 5 mods, and then this one here, GTA 5 mods, and then here we are on GTA 5 mods. Now you have to find the Grand Theft Auto, QUADCOPTN. Not that one, not that one. It's this one here with the 16,000. And it's by Leafix, the quadcopter that I used. And yeah, so you just download this and get your package, and then you unpack it to your designated folder you want it to go to. So I also used this other one called Script Hook. Script Hook V it was called. Oh, it's because I spelled it wrong. I'm the worst speller. Okay, let's see if that's anywhere. Ah, and there it is. Well, it's one of those. Might be that one. Let me just have a look. I can easily put these links to the exact ones that I used in the bottom of this video for you guys. So that's the quadcopter one, the Script Hook V101, and then also I use the X360, which is the controller configurator if you want to use your trannis. That's pretty damn handy. Right, so now I've made this folder here, and this has all of the unpacked folders from my downloads. So that's where everything is now. So now I'm going to show you how I put it into my, so I will copy this. Now I've got Steam, so I have to open my Steam. I go to my library, and on my library you got to right click the game you want and then go to properties and then go into local files and then go into browse local files. Now this is the folder that launches your game from, and you just have to right click anywhere on here. So I'll go down the bottom, right click, right click, and then I'll paste the things I just put in there, and then they all are shown up at the top. Now I can close this, and I can close Steam. I might as well just load from here. No, I'll shut Steam as well, and then I'll go to my Grand Theft. Oh, so it's... I'll probably have to set up the controller again, I totally forgot. But I did have it all set up previously, so we will see. And yeah, Grand Theft Auto can take a little time to load. But that's because it's such a big game. So we're underway now. Having the quadcopter mode enabled. We'll tell in a minute when it loads. I haven't done any screen recording yet. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, it's definitely gone a bit jerky with screen recording on. So here we are in GTA, walking around. Now we'll just pop that on, and we're in quadcopter mode. It's so different to fly with a PS3 controller compared to... Oh, might have to turn the graphics down a bit. And there is Grand Theft Auto on the PC. You can see the wobbles coming in a bit there. I'll have to do some tuning. I think it's just a bit of smoothing I'll have to do on the actual controller. But yeah, it's got a little bit of work to be done. There goes my control. Oh my god, it's working. Yeah, straight onto my trannis. Yeah, so the problem with the other stick is that, yeah, it has a bit of glitching and stuff with the PS3 controller. But also, I'm not used to recording while I'm playing, so that could be why it's lagging a little bit. But whoa, is it chopping up on me when I turn and stuff. And that is GTA FPV.